How to tap your phone to pay with Cash App. First of all, go ahead to the wallet, your Apple wallet, of course. Now hit to the plus icon. So once you hit the plus icon, there you will see an option to like add a card by entering the card details or by simply scanning the card. You'll be able to simply press on the scan with camera or the scanner option. Now press there. You'll be able to see you'll have to hold your card near after that. Now once you bring your card near, the card will get scanned and then you'll be able to pay through the Cash App. So for that, you'll have to go ahead to the Chrome and then download your Cash App card. You can order the Cash App debit card, which will look somewhat like this. You can go to the official site, yeah, and then you'll be able to log in and then go ahead and earn your debit card. So it will have no hidden fees. So that's how you do it. It is very easy. Hopefully this helps. Thank you.